BITI, stock analysis, and BITI, stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Pro shares, trust pro shares, you know, short Bitcoin strategy ETF. Thing is down 14%. It's up, excuse me. Why? Because the Bitcoin is down. BTC, USDT. I mean, it's down around how much today? Like, this is weekly. For the day, it's down like 6. And guess what? This is how much up? 14. Like, honestly speaking, this is how my chart is still gonna look like. Like, boom. If we can manage to come back into the supply zone with this ETF, I'll still take it lower. And anything else that's not gonna be that, it's just gonna be complete noise for me, you know, so. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description or reviews or 5 stars. And I will be seeing you in the next one.